Problem 13.211T. This will be the sine test. And notice that it's 174 out of 316. So you have to subtract. So the boys were 174. That means the girls were the remainder, or 142. So 174 plus 142, you add it up to get 316. Alpha's 1%. So let's see. Test to claim that the method has no effect on the likelihood of a boy. So the likelihood of a boy is 50%. So it's equals not equals, the way I read it. Okay, then it has to be A greater than 50. Oh, that's right, because it says gender-specific selection were boys. So, okay, my bad. All right, so I think the easiest thing to do is to use stat disk. So I will clear the data that's in there. And analysis, we want to do a sine test given the number of sines, because we don't have the raw data. So the first thing is that 0.01 is the level of significance. The number of positives, that'll be the boys, 174, girls 142, evaluate. So the test statistic is minus 1.74389. We'll round that accordingly. Critical Z's, if they ask, plus or minus 2.57583. And the test statistic X is 142 if they ask that. I think they want the Z though, so we'll go back to the problem. And two decimal places will be minus 1.74. Okay, that's what they wanted, the Z. Then they want the p-value. So the p-value, since it's a one-sided test, notice A was the correct answer. So it's a right-tail test. So to find the p-value, we can do StatCrunch so you can see it visually. Oops, let's try it again. So I go to Stat Calculator Normal, and I want it X greater than, because it's a right tail. And the number is, I'm sorry, it's a left tail, my bad, it's minus. So less than negative 1.74. 0.041 to 4 decimal places, 0409. Okay, that's what they wanted. It's a left tail since the test statistic is negative. So that's larger than 1%. 4% is larger than 1%. So since the p-value is greater than the significance level, fail to reject. We're not in the tail. There is insufficient evidence that the method is effective, increasing the likelihood of a boy. Notice that it's 174 to 142, but statistically it's still not significant, at least not at the 1% level. At the 5% it is, but not the 1%. Okay, so that's question 13.2.11T. I hope that helps. Dr. K, over and out.